So guys, let's dive into the tutorial. So far so good. This is the simplest editing ever. Okay, so you don't even need to be a pro before you can edit this kind of video. You just record yourself. You can see how I did my own. I mount my camera, come into the space. I did like I want to put my hand inside, then I walked away. Then you record an empty space for some few seconds, maybe like 10 seconds or thereabouts. Then you save the video and head over to CapCut. Alright, so this is the video. I have imported my video into CapCut. This is how your own should look. Then you walk away and record an empty space. Then you go back from the beginning. We need the empty space, okay? So you split and then click on overlay. Look for overlay. Bring the main video down. Bring it down. Then on this empty space, you look for freeze, because we are working with the empty space. You look for freeze so that you can freeze it, and then drag it to the end of your video. You drag it to the end of your video, then delete the other one. Yeah, you delete it because there's no need for that. So this is what we have now. On the second video, you drag it and make it equal. Make sure that everything is equal. All right, this is how it's going to look. And then I walked away. So you come back from that place you started putting your hand. Immediately you want to raise your hand, you click on that, you highlight your main video, then look for mask. You look for mask, okay? Then click on horizontal. You use your finger and drag it, move it a little bit, okay? Yeah, you move it a little bit and make sure it's in a straight line. Once you want to raise your hand, you bring it closer so that it will cover part of your hand, okay? Then you play with that arrow, this arrow now, that two white arrow, two black arrows. You play with them a little so that you can adjust it a little bit. Can you see? This is very, very simple. Very, very simple. So this is just it, guys. We are good to go. I just feel like resizing my own a little bit. Let me just bring it a little bit close to my hand so that it will look more real, like I'm putting myself inside the wall. Okay, so with this now your video is ready. You can see it's very simple. Even a beginner can do it. It's very, very simple. If you want sound, you know how we add sound. You go to audio, sound effects, and search for any sound you like, or you can import sound if you like. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.